Out 2 movie, please.
Inside Out 2? Why should I let you go?
Well, I'll tell you why. I've been a good boy.
Not really.
But I really am trying. Can't you see I've gotten good grades?
No, you haven't.
That doesn't count. Let's try this again. I've been doing my chores.
For only 5 minutes.
I've been being Miss Rosie.
Only 'cause I told you.
Whatever, Mommy. I just gotta say, can I please go?
Answer is...
Can't see Inside Out 2. Can't see Inside Out 2.
What?
Can't see Inside Out 2. Can't see Inside Out 2. Can't see Inside Out 2. Can't see Inside Out 2.
What?
Can't see Inside Out 2.